You've seen the headlines. Driverless trucks are here. AI taking over freight. 200,000 rigs with no hands on the wheel. And maybe, just maybe, you felt that knot in your gut tighten. Not fear, not panic. Just that quiet voice whispering, "What happens to me?" Let's talk about it. Aurora Innovation just rolled out the first fully driverless semi-trucks on public roads. No safety driver, no backup, no one riding shotgun. Running routes between Dallas and Houston, these autonomous rigs are live and hauling. This isn't beta testing anymore. This is operational. Real loads, real roads, no one in the seat. Now, let me say this up front. This isn't a scare piece. This is a wake-up piece, a positioning piece. Because if you're a trucker reading this, you're not just a wheel turner, you're a decision maker. And this moment, it's a fork in the road. These trucks don't eat, they don't sleep, they don't unionize or get homesick or pull over for coffee. They run 24/7. And according to Aurora, their camera and sensory tech allows them to see 360 degrees at all times. But here's what they don't do. They don't shake hands. They don't build trust with dispatchers. They don't problem solve when a load goes sideways. They don't calm down a pissed off customer. And they don't lead. Machines don't lead. People do. Here's the good news, somewhat. Aurora and companies like it aren't coming for you. They're coming for inefficiency. That means you get to decide how you'll evolve. Will you stay a mile runner? Or will you become a fleet advisor, a tech-savvy specialist, a sought-after broker, or even a trainer of the very systems trying to replace you? The truck has no driver, but you still do. You've got a mind, a mouth, and a mission. And right now, the road's wide open for the trucker who learns faster than the tech. So, here's what to do next. First, learn what's coming. Read up on Aurora, Gatik, Kodiak. Know what they can do and what they can't. Second, find the gaps. Machines don't solve human problems. You can. That makes you valuable. Third, position yourself. The ones who thrive in this era won't be the fastest. They'll be the most adaptable. And fourth, don't wait for the industry to hand you a role. Create it, name it, own it. The fear is real, but so is the opportunity. And the difference between the ones who make it and the ones who get left behind? A decision, a choice, a push. We're not just truckers. We're the future's first responders.